Today I'm doing a voiceover on this video since there was a lot of ambient noise. I'm going to be replacing the original airbox that came, with this car, with the Trailblazer. I'm going to be replacing with a cold air intake I got online. There's nothing wrong with the original airbox, but I love to hear the engine. Like, I like the engine, the noise, the suction of the cold air intake. But also know people, don't like them, so everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I'm also going to be adding a throttle body spacer from Air Raid. Hopefully it'll improve my throttle response, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Voy a estar reemplazando la caja de aire en este Trailblazer. Y no tiene nada malo la original caja, más que voy a estar reemplazando con cold air intake que agarré en línea. Y también le voy a poner un spacer en el cuerpo de aceleración. Ojalá que les guste este video. I'm going to try to take off the sensor. Voy a tratar de sacar el sensor. Gotta do it carefully, you don't want to break it. And there you go. Gotta massage this off, take it out easily. And this clip as well. These are 10 millimeters as well. We have the Air Raid kit. We have the instructions here. It's for the 4.2. We have instructions front and back. The hardware, the gasket, every bolt, the decal sticker, and the part itself. Mira, es que aquí tenemos el kit de Air Raid. Tenemos las instrucciones, los pedacitos, los tornillos y todo, el gasket, el sticker y la pieza así misma. This is the gasket. Este es el sello. You push it in there. You push it in this little groove here. So it won't fall off. Just like that. Nice and snug.
120. Look like my temperature has dropped. It's no longer at 210, it's below 210. The aluminum radiator is really helping it. So far, I'm liking it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And thank you for watching.